think I might be low on gas. It's kind of herky-jerky. We're moving. Maybe not that fast, but we're moving. Glad I don't have to take that turn at speed. What do you think? Around the block. We're good. Holy fuck. Oh my God. Howdy. Yeah. Thank you. Howdy. Okay, so first off, that feels way faster than you're actually going when you're on the bike. I mean, like, your knees are at your elbows. It's something. I had this whole introduction planned about how this thing's been sitting in the corner for 5 months, and I've been working on all these other projects, but I figured we'll just cold open, ride the bike. If you want to see the other projects, go watch the other videos. So the reason that's been sitting for months is because I wanted to do a good test ride to make sure that, you know, it wasn't going to immediately throw me off the bike before I tore it down for all of the hard work, which is paint, powder coat, finishing work. Safe to say it's fucking squirrely, but I think it'll do. So we'll move on to the next steps, which are, you know, like I said, the hard part. I do have some color stuff picked out. We're going to do some metal flake, and I don't know, I might actually hire somebody to do this paint work. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. Short one this week. I just wanted to, you know, like, show this thing off, show off my safety sweatshirt, and then, you know, and then bounce.